What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Microsoft Corporation with the ticker symbol MSFT. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So let's take a look at the daily chart for Microsoft. Haven't done one of these updates in quite a long time now. You can see that it is pretty close to its all-time highs at the 468 level, 469 level. The all-time high was 468.35. So very close to that. You can see that price was range bound for a couple of months before breaking out. Right over here, you can see that this is the range pattern that price was respecting. Very similar to Amazon. You can see that it had a breakout on the top, and then it failed, led to a breakout on the bottom, and now it looks like the price is still ready to move up higher. We'll have to wait and see. This looks like it could be the end of the move up higher. This is all one leg right here, second leg. So that's basically a perfect measurement target. So that's why it makes sense we're seeing a red candle take place there. And after that, after two legs up, that can mean we see another large leg down. So this is another potential large leg down, and that'll take price to the 358 level. So again, that's a little too early to call. Since we did break out, we can still see price move up higher. We don't have to even drop at all. It just needs to stay above the range highs at the 430. If it comes back in this range, that's not a good sign. That means it can continue to trend down lower, maybe back down to 398. So it just depends on what we do above the 430 level. If you break it, most likely we're going to continue to trend down lower. If we hold it, we'll most likely continue to trend down up higher. So traders are very open. They don't really care if they go long or short. They're just going to follow where the big money is taking the price. And right now the big money looks like it wants to take price higher, but since the measuring target was met, a lot of traders might be taking the profit, a lot of short sellers might be coming to the market. That might be able to end that bullish momentum and drop down the price. Again, it's too early to call. Measurement targets aren't always reversal areas. They could just be temporary stopping points. So we could just be temporary consolidating and correcting, and then eventually move up higher. So that most likely will take place. I don't expect Microsoft to see another leg down unless the market is ready to also drop. So that's how I'm looking at Microsoft on the daily chart. Just let's watch that 430 level. If it stays above it, I'm bullish. If it stays below it, I'm bearish. It's just simple as that. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that price, is still maintaining that upward momentum. Let's draw a trend line. Draw a trend line off the swing lows. Still pretty bullish. It's holding this trend line really nicely. So the bullish momentum is still pretty strong. Price did reach a measurable target. This is all one leg right here. This is the second leg. That's where price found resistance at the 460 levels. This one leg right here, second leg. So price found resistance there. And we can see another large leg down. So we saw two legs up. That can lead to two large legs down. So we haven't got that yet. We just saw one large leg down. So that correction could be, marking the next leg down. But we'll have to wait to see. There's still a lot of bullish momentum in play, and price may just continue to push up higher. And do I see a longer term measurement target? Well, you can all take this large leg right over here, and you go and clone it. This is the second leg, and that's targeting right around the 537 level. So that's longer term, maybe something in 2025. But either way, Microsoft's still bullish, still making higher highs, higher lows, and expect price to continue to move higher from here, short term and long term. So that's for Microsoft on the daily and weekly charts. If you guys have any comments, please leave it down below. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.